What's up, guys? So I'm back here again with Jono here today. We've just taken a short drive down into Deep Digo Mountain into the Blue Basin area, and we go into Blue Basin Waterfall.
Correct.
That's correct, Blue Basin Waterfall. I've never been here. Jono came very recently, so he did a little scouting mission for us. It was worth it.
It was definitely worth it, and it was my son's first hike. He just turned 1, so very friendly for our first hike.
There you go. So he took his 1-year-old child with him and made this hike. So we already know that this is probably one of the easier hikes in Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
I will show you the parking area a little bit here with Jono in a bit. I must say that it has a reputation sometimes of being a little dangerous, in the sense of sometimes people may get robbed or other things, but other people come here frequently without a problem. So I guess just take your time, hope for the best, be aware of your surroundings. Anywhere in Trinidad could have a problem, anywhere could be beautiful and not problematic.
Correct.
Would you agree?
Don't bad drive anybody coming in.
Yeah,
they might follow you.
Don't bad drive anybody, just take your time, come in and be on a cool scene, and hopefully the good vibes is with you on that day. So before we go any further, just a quick word from our sponsors there. Alright guys, so just letting you know, today's sponsor is brought to us by the Institute of Law and Academic Studies. This is a lovely university located in Chaguanas. Their mission is to offer access quality education in law studies within a committed and caring environment that supports excellence and provides opportunities for personal and professional development. So yeah guys, check them out. Of course, I will have the Facebook and Instagram so you can find out more about what they offer. This is a great chance for people locally who might be looking to get into a kind of law atmosphere, and I highly recommend it. So give them a check out. They're very, very well established and well connected. So thank you very much again, and we're going back to the video now. Alright guys, and we're back, and we're joined by another brethren here named Justin.
Hi guys,
A
name is
local.
Justin, local from the area.
Yeah?
Not originally from this area, but it grew on me because it's a very nice, peaceful area to be in.
Absolutely beautiful area. So he will be joining me and of course Jono on the hike today. And we're going to head up now. Normal business, we'll show you everything, show you the ropes, and then get to a beautiful location where we'll take a nice little swim and relax from there. So let me head out, fellas.
2 places you could park when you come to Blue Basin. You could either park down the hill, around this area right here, or you could do like us and save yourself a little walk in and park up the hill. Alright, this is where we park because high up the road has a little bit of a collapse, and then it has like a private property going up a little further.
Alright guys, so we reached a point where you'll come to this old waterfall sign here. Very, very rusty, don't touch it, you'll cut yourself and get tetanus. Right, so you'll see there's a fork in the road. There's the left hand side, and then a kind of downhill where it's no longer road, it's on your right. This is the path that you want to head towards the falls, and I've been told by our friendly guides here that it's about 5 minutes for unfit people like me, maybe more like 2 minutes for people who fit. So we're gonna head down now and finish the hike.
A landslide took place and destroyed the bridge. So this is a little dangerous here. So you just have to take your time going around the edge here. And from here, the rest of the pathway is smooth sailings, very safe.
Good vibes. So this is a little pool right before the waterfall. This is where I actually took my son to take a little dip. It's a lot more shallow, a lot more kid friendly, but do not leave anybody unaccompanied, any children unaccompanied in the pool still. And always be wary of little glass pieces, because to be honest, it has a decent amount of garbage.
So guys, we are now at the Blue Basin Falls here, and it's real beautiful, Dread. Like, it's so cool that this is so close, and the hike was literally must have taken about 6 minutes. Very, very easy. Like a real rater. Check it out. And now dip my feet in the water and it's real cool. Jono and Justin doing skipping stones competition. Let me see. Alright. Jono, you up now? You have him? Good, Jono. Like you fell that stone to the other side of the falls. Alright, Justin, before all you go there again. Everybody, I want to introduce you to our new partner, Justin.
Hi, good day everybody. My name is Justin Modest. I'm originally from Chaguanas, originated, and right now I'm here in Diego Martin, and I'm a local now, and it's very relaxing and very soothing. And you see, the thing about it is, this area here is very peaceful. It's a very nice and chilling area, and people will come here and they will just put the rubbish all over the place. And then we now, as citizens who love nature, people who love nature, and come and see this, we have no choice but to clean it up. And then when we clean it up, they're not even taking it into consideration that they know they need this place clean to keep it clean. But that being said, I want to tell you a little bit about myself, and I just love nature. I'm a farmer, organic farmer, and we do a lot of organic farming, no chemical whatsoever in the crop, and well, also do a little tours. And if you want to join the tours, now and again, contact number is 777-5276. You'll enjoy nature. Let's come out and enjoy nature a little bit. Don't always be behind the TV, behind the computer, you know. Let me come out and experience nature. It's here for we to experience it. Let we experience it and let we enjoy it.
Blessed. One more bounce to the camera there. One more bounce to the camera there. Big up my boy. And thank you very much for giving us our help on this guided tour here. He showed us around. But again, come and check out Blue Basin. My brother living in paradise here. Real paradise.
This is just the intro. I have a special gift to show them.
You have a special gift to show you in another while. And Jono, just give them a quick message about the trash, which I'm going to go and show now.
Unacceptable. Completely unacceptable. Come on, let's keep a clean scene.
Keep a clean scene, guys, because unfortunately you're seeing real beauty right now, but check it. In the river. I watch this whole bank over here. So as you can see, a whole lot of trash, just like too many places in Trinidad. Justin, our partner we now spoke to there, says that they do try to clean it up often, but like everything else, a week or two later is more trash. So we had to do better, fellas. Come now.
So yeah, you say you have a special treat for us?
Yes, now into the special treat. Up to the next waterfall.
Up to the next waterfall. I didn't even know they had a next waterfall. Okay.
But most people only know about this one because they don't venture. So if you want an extra adventure, this is the secret pathway to the extra adventure.
Cool scene. Let it go. So I will not be going that fast, but I will be following. This is Alan right here. Guys, there's a secret between us, but Alan was low-key scared to come up. Say something in the comments. Guys, we've reached waterfall number 2 and it is beautiful.
Second part of the waterfall. Now above this is coffin hole. And we call it coffin hole because the depth of it is crazy deep.
Crazy
Stay
deep?
tuned.
Like how deep?
Crazy deep. It go down about 15 feet, 20
We
feet.
dive in.
And
We dive in.
waiting for anything. How difficult it might be.
We reached Coffin Hole. Check it out. See what you think in the comments, because I am speechless. A little sketchy, not me.
Now, this
Blue Basin gorgeous, coming soon.
This small pool here, it's not much, but it's a very nice, relaxing spot, a very relaxing area. We call this slip and slide, and I'll show you the reason why we call it slip and slide in a little bit.
I like that.
There's actually a slide.
I like
It's
that.
not a big slide, but a reasonable slide. And the depth of here is like about neck height.
Okay.
And I am 6 feet, so
Okay.
for sure people might be able to cross, but if it's fast on the edges or
So
there's
short
actually-
people don't walk through here. You'll be
there's actually
underwater.
a track here now where we climb right here and alongside the rock, and from on top let's walk around.
On top there, you say they're going. Okay.
So right now they're showing you here and you'll see from the top here. We go on top.
Safe. Let me see ya. Alright, we're checking out the little gorge.
So if you don't want to get the can swim, pass right here.
Pass on the side.
Pass on the side.
We all know I swimming.
Just walk off for it. Just walk off. Ready?
Don't just walk off. That is not happening.
1, 2, 3.
Well guys, it was another beautiful adventure. Yet again, Trinidad have something absolutely amazing to offer. I just want to big up one more time before we go our sponsor, the Institute of Law and Academic Studies. Thank you very much. Remember to check them out to help further your education. Pass on the word to friends and family who may be interested. And thank you to my brethren here, Jono and Justin, our new partner living up this side. You had a good time?
Of course, all the time.
How many flips you did?
Can't count.
You can't count, yeah. A lot. Yeah, you're like a dolphin, like flipper. Aquaman. Jono, any closing words for the people?
It was a real nice time. If you're a person who likes to go to a hike and just keep going, keep exploring, this is the perfect spot for you. And as always, get out and explore.
Get out and explore. Blessings, fellas. Big up everyone. Have a great week. Bye. Party.
Mermen do exist.